Guys, I show you how to connect the gear indicator for Yamaha R6 2004. This is the cheapest version. It's a digi indicator, and this is the connector from the meter from Yamaha. This is the wires. Okay, the gear indicator have six wires. The black you connect. It's ground. You connect in black with white cable. The red is positive, and you connect on like brown. It's positive. Okay. This is green. It's for a speed sensor. It's I'm searching in the bike in the left side. It's a connector with pin sensor, and you connect with white and yellow cable. Okay. White cable, it's for setup the digi and learning. The brown cable, it's neutral lighting. Neutral light. You connect on the blue with white cable. It's a neutral. And the yellow, it's a tachometer pulse RPM. You connect with yellow with black, and I think so. I show you all. Yeah, it's everything. You must only put it in the bike and set up the digi with the white cable, and that's all. Thank you very much.